Hey everybody, so in my last video I helped you get more comfortable with identifying, classifying triangles based on their sides and angles. Now we're going to look at the triangle congruence. That is, we're going to compare pairs of triangles and look to see if we can prove that the two triangles are congruent. All right, here's how we do that. There are 4 proofs that we use to prove that triangles are or are not congruent. The first one is side, 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 and that is that all 3 sides are matching. So if you take a look at these triangles right here, and I know that they're pretty small, but you might be able to see that the left side of this triangle has the same identification as the left side of this triangle. The bottom side has the same ID as the bottom side of this one, and the right side has the same identification as the right side of this one. Since all 3 sides of the triangles match up, they are congruent. They have to be. That means that their angles are also congruent. Everything about the triangles are congruent because there's only one way to fit those 3 specific sides together and get a triangle. It has to work out that way. That's the easiest one, when all 3 sides are congruent. Next, we have side, angle, side. Now, the order that we are naming these congruency proofs matters. All right, side, angle, side. You notice in the name, the angle comes between the 2 sides. That has to be true of the triangles too. We have 2 sides and an angle between them that match. So if you take a look at this triangle, ABC, side A matches over here, side AB matches side DE. They have the same identification. Side BC matches side EF. And then in between the 2 sides here, we have angle B matches angle E. All right, in the order, side, angle, side, side, angle, side. Because those sides and that angle matches in that exact order, we can use the proof side, angle, side. Our third proof is angle, side, angle. Now once again, the order is important here. Angle, side, angle. So we have 2 angles and a side between them that match. All right, these are really kind of hard to see. But this triangle has this side identified, and it matches with the side of this triangle. This angle matches this angle, and then this angle matches up with this angle. All right, angle, side, angle. Angle, side, angle. The fourth proof is angle, angle, side. All right, my little navigating box needs to get out of the way. So again, order matters. So we will have 2 angles that are adjacent to each other, and then a side that sits outside of them. So I'm going to have to make a mark here. So what we have is, we have this angle that matches with this angle. This side matches this side. And then, this angle matches this angle. And then this side matches this side. So angle, and then the adjacent angle, and then the side. Angle, then the adjacent angle, and then the side. All right, so like I said way back here, these proofs work because there's only one way to fit these corresponding sides and angles together and get a triangle. That's why they're forced to match. It's kind of like putting a puzzle together. If you've ever put a puzzle together, which I'm sure you have, there's only really one way to make all the pieces fit correctly. So it's kind of the same with these triangles. With these specific sides and angles, there's only one way to make each of them fit together. Okay, so let's try a few. Let's just identify the proof. All right, so this pair of triangles here, we have a side, matches up here with this side. All right, we have this side matches up here with this side. Then we have an angle between them that matches. All right, so what do we have? Side, angle, side. Side, angle, side. So we can just use the abbreviation. Side, angle, side. All right, let's take a look at this triangle over here. Side BC matches up with side TN. Side CA matches up with side GT. And side BA matches up with side GN. So we have three matching sides. Side, side, side. Coming down here, angle J matches up with angle E. Side JH matches up with side ER. And last but not least, angle H matches up with angle R. So we have an angle, a side, and an angle. An angle, a side, and an angle. All right, last pair. Here we have an angle that matches with an angle. We have the following angle, the adjacent angle, matches up with this angle. Then out here we have this side that matches with this side. So we have angle, angle, side. Okay. I hope that that helps. I hope that it makes sense, and I hope you can use it to identify some congruent triangles.